Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the brakes for your Comodita walker. This adjustment is good for Prima, Prima Special, Spazio, and Piccolo walkers. It's simple and easy. All you need is an 8mm wrench. To start, make sure that your brakes are released. Find the locking nut on the back wheel of your walker and turn it clockwise to decrease sensitivity and counterclockwise to increase sensitivity. As you do that, note how the braking pad gets closer or further away from the wheel. That will help you judge how much you need to turn the nut. That's it. It's simple and easy. Thank you for choosing Comodita.